Hello. If you're one of the many women that struggle with constant overwhelm and really feeling like you can't see the light at the end of the tunnel, then keep watching. I'll only keep you a few minutes, and I realise it's tea time, so you might be busy doing other things, but watch this because it'll be really good for you. My name's Nikki, and my business is all about helping and supporting busy women find some clarity in their lives and working out how to really focus on what's a priority and what's not, and how to make that work for them. I used to struggle trying to make everything work, trying to make ends meet, trying to fit work and life and some time for me in, until I figured out that I get to choose this and I can make some changes where I want to. Um, have you always thought, have you been one of those people that always thought that, or believed that you put your family and friends first, and especially with kids, that you just naturally get on with taking care of everybody else, but figure out by the end of the day that you don't have any time for yourself, or you're just exhausted, so you kind of forget about you, and that builds up over day to day, and you get to burn out really with all of this overwhelm of life's just really hard. Um, and you often think that you kind of say to yourself, oh, well, next month it'll be better because such and such thing's finished, or I don't have this to do then, or later, I'll sit down later and have 5 minutes. Um, just put yes in the comments if that's you. Let me know. Give me a comment and just say if that's something that you can relate to, because this is something that me and my clients work on together, focusing on those schedules that you have and those daily tasks, and finding where we can make some changes, move things around, put things on hold. It's about figuring out where things can move for you as a person and how you can do that. One of my clients was always really busy at the end of the day. Always had a sort of a busy job and got in late at the end of the day. And she found that actually, if she did her meal prep in the morning, because she had an extra 30 minutes that she didn't have in the evening, where she was waiting for the kids to get ready and just sort of mooching about before doing the school run, that actually she prepped her evening meal then. So when she came in, it was there, it was ready. She didn't really need to do much with it. And she lost that anxious feeling when she got in.